Across the world, dozens were falling ill with a mysterious virus that would ultimately change life as we know it.
Tonight, as the Omicron variant teeters through the U.S.
The pandemic, the U.S. reporting more than 782,000 new cases a day, staggering number.
In just 3 hours, Melbourne will be back under curfew. It will be illegal to be outside your home in a return to the country's harshest COVID regulations.
And they will keep us all locked down for longer than we should be. I'm angry, we're all angry.
Melbourne's lockdown will not end.